PrestoSketch. Hey everyone! Today we're going to draw a cup of hot chocolate with marshmallows. The colors we'll be using are black, brown, and red. Let's start by drawing a long oval shape for the top of the cup, but keep the back part open so we can draw the marshmallows in later. Then draw the sides and the bottom of the cup. Next, we'll draw the handle. Now we'll draw some round squares for the marshmallows. Draw a wavy shape along the edge to show where the hot chocolate has spilled over. Then draw two big circles for eyes. And then draw two smaller circles inside each of the eyes. Draw a small curvy line for the smile. Don't forget the happy faces for the marshmallows as well. Now use your red marker to color in the cup. Then use your brown marker for the hot chocolate. Finally, use the black marker to color the eyes and to go over the lines again. Good job! You did it! If you like drawing along with me, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.